saying that solo was actually pretty good. And that's why they call it a clock radio. I didn't know. Probably shouldn't do this with a GoPro. What's up, guys? I'm Chris, if you don't know who I am by now. This couch really smells, actually. Been here seems like a week. So yeah, here I am in California, doing a studio build. Parts aren't here, so we can't do the build, so I'm locked up in my hotel room. Nothing to do. So what I'm gonna do for you guys right now is show you how to make epic B-roll from any location. It's pretty simple, actually. So anybody can do it. Anyway, roll that intro. Let's go. Let's do this. Pumped. I'm going to show you how I shoot all of my B-roll cinematic sequences, but I'm in a hotel room. Look around. But really, you can make anything cinematic. So I'm going to show you some things right in the bathroom. I mean, nothing fancy. We got a shower, we got a toilet, we got some TP, we've got a fan, we've got this weird artwork thing that's not centered. I mean, come on, really? Nothing really spectacular, right? Well, you're wrong. Well, half wrong, half right. There really isn't anything in here, but you can actually make some things pretty cinematic with little effort. It's just angles and manipulating the light and having a camera that can shoot slow motion, really. You can shoot pretty cinematic B-roll without using slow motion. I just prefer using slow motion in about 98% of my B-roll, but you don't have to. You can, these will apply if you're using a regular motion, but shooting slow motion definitely helps. It takes out all of those quick, sudden jitters and just more engaging, in my personal opinion. But yeah, so why don't I just shoot this sequence and then talk about how I did it. So let's cue that montage. Ready, set, and... So what do you guys think? Kind of goes to show, right, that you can make anything look cinematic and get that epic B-roll from any location with any sort of object that you have laying around. You could make a diaper look cinematic. So yeah, it's really just about utilizing angles, positioning, lighting, getting right up in its business. Zoom that lens in as far as you can get it, and you will be amazed of what you can achieve. You can definitely make things that are not interesting very interesting really quick. It doesn't matter what the subject is or the amount of space that you guys are actually working in. As you can see, I am just working in this tiny little bathroom with no room to move, and I'm still able to produce a pretty decent, not great, by no means is any of my best work that I've ever done, but you can produce a pretty well made video with what is just laying around you. So I challenge you guys, wherever you're watching this video from, shoot a 10-second B-roll epicness montage. You'll be amazed. You will get, one, better at shooting video. Two, you'll just have fun doing it. I love shooting B-roll sequences. Editing it is the best part because you can literally make it a sad, happy, epic, tense, whatever you want to make it, just in editing with the same footage. So that's it, guys. Thanks for watching. If you haven't done so already, consider subscribing. And as always, I'll see you in the next video. All right, let's get back to that one wheel. Peace. My face has got that Sylvester Stallone. Adrian.
I successfully made it onto my United flight. Remember that meme? That was my favorite one.
Not only am I talking about the lens, I'm talking about me adapting it to the Panasonic GH5. Can you do it? Let's find out. I'm still thinking I'm gonna hack a little bit more off.